Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the long hair trend on TikTok. So for that you need a third-party app called CapCut. So go to your app store and Play Store and download this app. And once you download, what you can do, you can visit my profile. In my profile you can see this playlist CapCut template. Tap there. Okay, you will see many templates. Go with the first one, long hair effect. Okay, here on the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect. Just tap there and you will be directed to this page. Now tap on use template in CapCut. Okay, you will be directed to this page. Now tap on use template at the bottom of the screen. Okay, now browse a picture from your camera roll. Okay, let's go with this one. Hit next. Okay, and done. You get long hair. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the template from my profile, what you can do, let me discard this. Go to CapCut. When you open CapCut, you will see the screen. What you have to do, tap on templates. Okay, tap on the search bar on the top of the screen, then tap on long hair. Okay, here you will see many templates. Tap on any template that you want and repeat the process, and that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can join this long hair trend on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.